In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share forms in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into your Gohighlevel account and make sure you're in the correct sub-account or workspace where the form currently lives. This is important because you want to share the exact form from the right location before sending it anywhere else. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you'll find the main sections of your account. From here, scroll down a little until you see Sites and then click on it. The Sites area is where Gohighlevel stores tools related to pages, funnels, and forms. So that's the section you'll need for this task. After that, move to the top menu and click on Forms. This will open up the Forms area where you can view and manage the forms connected to your account. If you have several tabs or options visible here, make sure you choose the one labeled Builder. That will take you to the list of forms you've created, making it easier to find the one you want to share. Now hover over the form you want to share. Take a moment here to double check that you've selected the correct form, especially if you have multiple forms with similar names. On the right hand side of that form, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open the action menu for that specific form. From the menu that appears, click on Share. This opens the sharing window and allows you to send that form to another location within Gohighlevel. At this point, you'll be asked to select a location. Choose the destination location carefully since this determines where the form will be shared. Once you finish selecting the location, review your choice to make sure everything looks correct. This is a good habit, especially if you manage multiple client accounts or multiple business locations, because it helps avoid sending the form to the wrong place. When everything is set, click Confirm. After you do that, the form will be shared to the selected location. And that's it. That's how you share forms in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, after sharing the form, it's always a good idea to check the destination location and confirm that the form appears there as expected. That extra verification can save time and prevent confusion later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.